Hi, I'm Kierin Barnard and welcome to the Mecad Minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to review 3D CAD models in eDrawings web browser. This allows me to share CAD models with colleagues and clients who do not have access to Solidworks or eDrawings. These files can be sent via email or uploaded to cloud storage and shared via links. Let's get to it. So from here, I'm going to go into eDrawings. I've already pre-opened my part. How I did that was that file open. I opened the Solidworks assembly, so nothing needed to be changed. I didn't have to export it out into a different format. From there, the next step would be to say File Save As. Now, when the Save As, make sure you go to your drop-down as shown and select eDrawings Web HTML file. This allows it to save it as a HTML file or a link. From here, I'm then going to click Save and say, yes, I'm just replacing the one I've already created. Yeah. I'm then going to minimize and actually now open this link. You will now notice that the eDrawing web browser is opening my components. You can see I can review, can zoom in and zoom out. Okay. From here, I can actually have a look at the different components. I can select the components and actually inspect the components that I would like to look at specifically. So now I'd like to see the internals of the jigsaw. I can say transparency, and you'll see it'll let me actually see the inside or the internals of this component, or this part rather. I'm then going to change the transparency back. You'll see now there are a few other options. I'm going to quickly look at explode. With the slider, I can create an exploded view. With a section view, I can actually go ahead and create various section views. And I can actually move a component. So if I select the battery pack at the back, you can actually see that I can move it. I can then also click play. This goes through my standard views as shown here. It will just play through them systematically. I can then also just zoom to select and have a few different review options. Thank you so much for watching the Mecad Minute, and stay tuned for more to come.